Zup.
Hi guys, good morning.
Zup guys, zup.
So, pauwi na kami ngayon sa bahay.
Zup.
It's Kuya Jason's birthday.
Zup guys, zup.
Yeah. Galing kami sa Bacolor, doon kami natulog kasi bumili kami ng gifts kay Kuya yesterday. Happy birthday, Kuya!
Zup guys. Happy birthday guys.
Bagong gising ang baby. Let's go! Surprise natin si Kuya sa gifts niya. Yay!
May na-flexion na too.
Bye! See you later, guys!
Zup guys.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya!
Boss na yan, boss.
Yay!
Hey, happy birthday. Okay na.
Batoy na naman.
Hindi porket toy ano yung lalagyan, toy yung mga yan ha.
Kayo din madami pa. Pili ko pang kopap to. Blade, blade. Oh. Ah!
Yes,
let's
go!
go!
Happy birthday.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Go, Joe Santos!
Ikaw may amos niya.
Go, Joe! Yay! Happy birthday, Luna!
Hindi mo binasa yung nakasulat dun,
Oo nga eh, oh. Sa
Basta-basta
slipper.
walang binuksan.
Sa slipper.
Happy birthday, Luna!
Thank you. Hi, birthday boy. Happy birthday. Si Batang Makulit. What's that?
Oh.
May photo bongbong.
Tabing-bing.
Bigyan mo kay Kuya.
Hold it.
Ha ha ha. Happy birthday. Let's go. Hi, we're here. Nagdi-dinner kami ngayon. Hi, birthday boy.
Ano yung dalan?
Alberto family? What?
Tama, di ba? 21.
Baliktaran ba?
May damit ko ka.
Sasabihin mo.
Kasha mo yan.
Sasabihin mo.
Dali ko na sabihin.
Chicken!
Mamaya.
6, 7.
Laro niyo naman yung pagkain.
6, 7. Go. Ito yung 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. Ito yung 7. Ito 7. Aha. Oh, what's my kutsara?
Hindi tayo.
Eh, kay mami yan. Ito rice.
Garlic rice.
That car, wala.
Asan rice?
Video. Naka-cheese na na.
Combination. Mas combination. Nag-rounded combination. Perfect. Wow! Wow! Where's my spoon?
Pagkata ka na? Na? Okay na?
Sorry na guys.
Sige na.
Oy. Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday days only. What is your wish? What is your wish?
Happy birthday.
Wish niya, gusto niya iPhone 17.
Pang salmon na rin.
Ito yung best part.
No, I can see the rain. Oh! Downstairs.
Bali, ito po yung Evo extra virgin oil para dito. Tapos chili honey mo. Tapos salt pa, Himalaya salt.
So, yan guys. We're home. We're home. Pagod oh. Pagod ng birthday boy. Happy? Happy? Okay lang. Okay lang. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye!
Bye.